What is the difference between POP3 and IMAP? In this video, we would try to understand that. But before we understand the difference between POP3 and IMAP, let's look into what happens when a user sends an email. A user composes an email using an email client or mail user agent. When the email is sent, the email first reaches a mail submission agent. A mail submission agent is a software program that receives an email from a mail user agent and sends it to a mail transfer agent. A mail transfer agent exchanges email messages across networks using the SMTP protocol. Finally, the email reaches the destination mail transfer agent. The destination mail server sends the email to a mail delivery agent. A mail delivery agent is a software component that receives an email from a mail transfer agent and delivers the email to the recipient's mailbox. Email messages are transferred from one host to another using SMTP protocol. POP3 and IMAP are two protocols that are used by email clients to retrieve email messages from a mail delivery agent. POP or Post Office Protocol works in the application layer of the OSI model. Version 1 of the protocol was published in 1984. The most commonly used version of the Post Office Protocol is version 3 and we call it POP3. POP3 allows an email client to download email messages from a mail server. But after the email messages are downloaded, they are deleted from the mail server. As a result, if a user has multiple email clients and wants to manage his mailbox using various email clients, POP3 is not suitable. Post Office Protocol used to be widely used when people would use a dial-up connection. At that time, a user would briefly connect to the internet and download all email messages so that he can read them later. On the other hand, using IMAP or Internet Message Access Protocol, an email client retrieves email messages from a mail server. But in IMAP, after an email client retrieves the email messages, they are not deleted from the mail server. If a user wants to remove an email message, he has to delete it from the mail server explicitly. As a result, if a user has multiple email clients, it is easier to manage the mailbox using the IMAP protocol. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more can visit the website of the Security Buddy. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.